Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Today I will start the chapter partnership admission with the past paper question 2019. This is your exam question number 32 on your book Petiwala, second year intermediate, and here I will start the partnership admission. First of all, before starting question, I would like to discuss with you the grounds of the question. In order to understand the basics of the question, first of all, I would like to discuss with you Mr. Ali and Mr. Hassan are partners. Their profit and losses are losses ratios are equal. The name of the organization is AH Organization. On March 12, 2018, the balance sheet is as follows. Now, what we have to do, first of all, we have to highlight you can say the capitals and the ratios of the partner. Like here in the question they are mentioned equal partners, so you have to underline the word equal, and then you have to focus the two capitals which are given for the old partner, Mr. Ali and Mr. Hassan. They having their capital 25,000 and 35,000. The total is your 60,000. So for starting of the question, you must know that the ratios of the partners, existing partners, that you can say old partners, ratios is equal, which is given in the question. Then you must know the capitals of the old partner, or you can say existing partners, which is given in the question. Now I will proceed towards the required part by which you can get the marks in the board examination. The first case you have, Mr. Arif invests sufficient cash for 1/3 interest in the firm. हमारे पास इस वक्त ये सफिशेंट कैश का क्वेश्चन है, इसके मैं आपको सोल्यूशन शो करती हूँ और साइड बाय साइड आपको एक्सप्लेन भी कर देती हूँ, ठीक है. एंड देन केस 2 हम प्रोसीड करेंगे. मिस्टर आरिफ इन्वेस्ट 30,000 for 1/4 interest in the total capital of ₹100,000. हमेशा याद रखिएगा बेटे, जब भी आपको क्वेश्चन में टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ द फर्म गिवन है तो आपने उस टोटल कैपिटल पे डायरेक्ट फ्रैक्शन अप्लाई करना है ताकि आपके पास बोनस की अमाउंट आ जाए या बुक वैल्यू ऑफ द न्यू पार्टनर है. होप सो इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. नाउ द रिक्वायर्ड पार्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द केस 1. This one is your case 1 and case 2. After solving these case 2, you have to record the journal entries for the each case. Now I will proceed further. Yes, this is my case of sufficient cash. Now first of all, the first step which we have to focus, we have to write it down, the interest of new partner. Then I will proceed towards interest of old partners. I will write it down the amount after. If I focus the question, we have given the interest of Mr. Arif in the question. Mr. Arif invests sufficient cash of 1/3 interest. So Mr. Arif, new partner is Mr. Arif, whose investment is 1/3. Is this clear? Then old partners fraction is 1 minus 1/3. आप इसका LCM लेंगे and your answer will be 2/3. This is your interest of old partner. For solving the sufficient cash, you must follow the interest of a new partner and then you have to focus the interest of old partner. After writing the interest, you have to write it down the capitals of old partner. Capitals of old partners which will be given in the question of Mr. Ali and Hassan, that is 25,000 and then 35,000. The sum is equals to 60,000. Now in order to get the total capital of the firm, what I will do, the total capital of firm, in order to calculate the total capital of the firm in the sufficient cash method, we have to apply the 60,000 and the reciprocal of the new partners. Yes, now I proceed towards what we have done. First of all, I mentioned the interest of a new partner. Secondly, I have done the interest of old partner, that is 2/3. Then we have capitals of old partners. The capitals of old partners is 25,000 plus 35,000. we have 60,000 is the capitals of all partners. Your all partners are Mr. Ali and Mr. Hassan. The total capital is given in the question is 60,000. That is the capital of all partners. Then in order to calculate the total capital of the firm, what I will do, I will apply on the capital of all partners multiply by the reciprocal. जिस पार्टनर के आप कैपिटल्स लेंगे उसी का आपने रेसिप्रोकल अप्लाई करना है. लाइक हेयर वी हैव द कैपिटल ऑफ ओल्ड पार्टनर 60,000, सो आई अप्लाई द रेसिप्रोकल 3/2 ऑफ द ओल्ड पार्टनर. रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स हमारे पास जो इस वक्त ओल्ड पार्टनर्स का फ्रैक्शन है वो 2/3 है, और यहाँ आप उसका रेसिप्रोकल उसका इन्वर्स अप्लाई कर देंगे, डेट इज़ 3/2. होप सो इट इज़ क्लियर. Here we have answer of the total capital of the firm is 90,000. जब भी आपके पास total capital of the firm आ जाएगा, आप simply total capital of the firm पे fraction अप्लाई करेंगे न्यू पार्टनर का. फ्रैक्शन कौन सा है? 1/3 is a fraction of a new partner. Total capital is 90,000 in order to calculate the book value. Now I will write it down the another step. Book value of Mr. Arif. That will be your, yes, this is my book value of Mr. Arif. How I have calculated, मैंने 60,000 पे रेसिप्रोकल अप्लाई किया 3/2. My answer is 90,000 is the total capital. In order to calculate the book value, मैंने 90,000 पे न्यू पार्टनर का फ्रैक्शन अप्लाई किया 1/3, and then I will get the book value of Mr. Arif capital. As it is the question of sufficient cash method. Sufficient cash method का मेन कंटेंट क्या होता है, मैं आपको एक दफ़ा और रिवाइज करवा देती हूँ. सबसे पहले हमने पार्टनरशिप एडमिशन में सफिशिएंट कैश स्टार्ट किया है बेटे. उसके फॉर्मेट आपके पास मेंशन है. फॉर द सफिशिएंट कैश यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ अ न्यू पार्टनर. Then in the second step you will write it down the interest of the old partner, which is 1 minus the fraction, and then you will get the value. The third step you will have the capitals of old partner, which will be already given in the question. In the fourth step you will have the total capital of the firm. टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ द फर्म इन द केस ऑफ सफिशिएंट कैश मेथड हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? जो ओल्ड पार्टनर का कैपिटल होता है उसके ऊपर आप रेसिप्रोकल अप्लाई कर देते हैं. रेसिप्रोकल मतलब है इन्वर्स फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. ओल्ड पार्टनर्स का फ्रैक्शन इस पर आपको 2/3 नज़र आ रहा है, और मैंने उस पर उसका रेसिप्रोकल अप्लाई किया, डैट इज़ योर 3/2. इट मीन्स योर आंसर इज़ 90,000. In order to calculate the book value, what I have done, the book value of Mr. Arif is 90,000. जो total capital of the firm है उस पर आपने fraction apply कर देना, that is your 1/3, and then you will get the book value of Mr. Arif. Now moreover they asked you for the journal entry. Here I am making the format for the journal entry date. Then we will write it down the particulars. Then post reference, and then the amount of debit and credit. Okay, for the sufficient cash method we have the format for the journal entry, which is as follows. Now I will record the journal entry for Mr. Arif. As it is a case of sufficient cash, तो हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही journal entry बनेगी, cash debit and Mr. Arif's capital credit. I will start making. Here date I am not mentioning. We have cash, and then Mr. Arif's, we have to write it down the apostrophe s over here, and then we write it down the capital. So the book value of Mr. Arif's capital is 30,000 debited, and here we can write it down the 30,000 credited. Then after writing the journal entry I will write it down to record the admission of Mr. Arif's by the capital of 30,000. This is your narration, you can see, and this is your narration line to close the journal entry. This is your complete case of partnership admission sufficient cash. Hope so it is clear to you. Thank you so much. And in the next I will proceed the another case, that is your part B. I am proceeding towards the part B. Yes, part B of this question, Mr. Arif invests 30,000 for 1/4 interest in the total capital of 100,000. So whenever you will see the total capital is given, तो directly आपने total capital की amount पे Arif का fraction apply करना है. Now let's proceed. I will start. 30,000 into 100,000 is 100,000. 100,000 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 into 100,000 total capital is 100,000. Then on total capital I will apply the fraction of RF 1/4 to get the book value of RF's capital. Okay, so this is your total capital. You can write it down the fraction over here, and then just after applying the fraction you will get the book value. Yes, so the book value of RF's capital is 25,000. Now what we have to do, we have to solve it by the bonus method. We will start doing the comparison and then we will do the distribution. Like comparison हम bonus method में किस तरह करते हैं उसको थोड़ा focus करते हैं. I will put the heading of comparison. Now comparison is investment की value जो क्वेश्चन में आपको given है, investment की value given है बेटा आप लोगों को 30,000. आपकी बुक वैल्यू कितनी गिवन है 25,000 एंड देन द बोनस विल बी द 5,000 विच विल बी गिवन टू द अदर पार्टनर्स. नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, माय इन्वेस्टमेंट इज ग्रेटर देन द बुक वैल्यू. इट मीन्स बोनस टू न्यू पार्टनर्स. ओके, सॉरी, this is your bonus. I am writing in a little bit faster way. Yes, so your investment is 30,000, the book value is 25,000. your investment is greater than the book value. जब भी आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी आपकी बुक वैल्यू से तो आपके पास आंसर आएगा बोनस का. और क्योंकि हम बोनस मेथड अप्लाई करें और हमारे पास हम देंगे न्यू पार्टनर को. सिंपल याद रखिएगा, वेन एवर यू हैव आई इज़ ग्रेटर देन सी, तो इसको याद रखने के लिए एक छोटी सी टर्म मैं आपको याद करा देती हूँ, GO, गो. दिस गो मीन्स यू आर ग्रेटर देन का जब भी क्वेश्चन होगा तो पार्टनर्स, ओल्ड पार्टनर्स को बोनस जाएगा. ठीक है, G for greater than and then O for bonus to old partners. You have to learn the small word terminology just for your memorization. मैं दोबारा आप लोगों के साथ रिपीट करती हूँ इस केस को. We have a case of you can say second case in which the total capital of the firm is given. The total capital is 100,000 जिससे आपको बुक वैल्यू निकालनी होती है. तो डायरेक्टली आप न्यू पार्टनर का फ्रैक्शन जो कि हमने 100,000 पे 1/4 अप्लाई किया है एंड देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू. बुक वैल्यू ऑफ RF कैपिटल निकालने के लिए हमने 100,000 पे 1/4 अप्लाई किया, डैट इज़ योर 25,000. कंपैरिजन की तरफ आते हैं. कंपैरिजन इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 30,000 विच इज़ गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. दैन बुक वैल्यू वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड 25,000. when your I is greater than C or it's greater than book value आपके पास bonus to old partner आएगा. And then you will do the distribution and then you will do the general entry. Thank you so much for watching this video. The distribution and you can say the journal I have discussed in the previous videos. This is all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.